Hey, Benito, man. These are bonito. Bad Bunny, the most streamed artist in the world for the last 3 years in a row, has had a very successful collaborative sneaker history with Adidas over the last few years, and one of the standouts has been the Campus Light. We've seen a few colorways already, but the latest one right here might just be my favorite. My name is Josh, and I will be reviewing the Adidas and Bad Bunny Campus Light Chalk Brown. So these released on July the 29th worldwide for a retail price of $160 or 160 euros. They were available on the Confirmed app as well as several other retailers. This happened to be the first Bad Bunny and Adidas Campus Light that actually didn't sell out. In fact, in most stores that sold them, they are still currently available in quite a few sizes, which I was kind of surprised by because I do think that this colorway is one of the cleanest, maybe even the cleanest to release so far. But I'm not all that surprised because this is already the third colorway we've seen and already the second this year, so maybe people are just a little bit tired of this model. But either way, you should be able to get these for retail, and if your size is sold out, make sure you check out StockX because it's going for pretty much retail on there as well. I will leave a link to that in the description. So the official name for this colorway is Chalk Brown, and honestly, I wish they called it something a bit more exciting, maybe like Cafecito or Tiramisu. Come on Adidas, let's have a little bit more fun with it. We've seen already the olive and cream colorways so far, but where does the Chalk Brown rank for you guys? In my honest opinion, I really like these the best so far out of all the colorways, so I would rank these at the top, the cream at number 2 and the olive at number 3. These are sick, man. Honestly, I might be a little bit biased because I do like to wear a lot of earth tones in most of the clothes I wear, so I know a sneaker like this would fit in perfectly with what I typically like to wear. Now this shoe is based on the Adidas Campus, except it's pretty much a Campus on steroids. Really, it's a lot fatter. It has almost like a skateboarding vibe to it. Actually, I would say it's a lot more similar to the Campus 2000s, which is a skateboarding shoe and actually is currently the most popular shoe that Adidas offers. Getting into the shoe now, the upper of this sneaker is made entirely out of suede, a very nice suede, and it is done in this chalk brown color, which looks great. You also have the 3 stripes, which are done in leather, and it's done in a much darker tone of brown, which gives it quite a nice contrast on the lateral and medial sides. And you gotta love all these hits of cream on the shoe because honestly, this is a cheat code for sneakers. Brown and cream combined on a sneaker, it never misses no matter the model, and it's no different on this pair. The Bad Bunny Campus Light also features this additional mud guard which goes all around the shoe. It is made out of rubber, it's done in this cream color, and it gives you the visual appearance of the shoe looking a lot more chunkier than it is. It almost makes the midsole look a bit bigger. This is definitely not something you see on a regular pair of Adidas Campus. The laces on this pair are also great. They're very interesting. It's done in a rope style. It comes standard with these cream colored laces, but if you prefer a more standard type of lace, you do get this additional pair of flat style, pretty thick laces. These laces are so thick that they do remind me of the Campus 2000s. Pretty weird color choice though, because these do seem to be slightly like an orange pink color, which I'm not sure whether or not it's gonna go well on the shoe. I think I'm gonna rather leave my cream rope laces on mine. One of the main features of the shoe has to be the double tongue that you get with it. You get 2 nylon tongues here. The first one is done in brown and it does feature that El Ojo or evil eye symbol that Bad Bunny is quite famous for using. And the tongue at the back is done in a cream color and it features the Adidas Trefoil logo. I thought that these shoes, because they had 2 pretty padded tongues, that it might be a bit snug on feet, but that doesn't seem to be the case at all. The inner lining of the shoe does feel quite luxurious. It's done in a premium leather, done in that same chalk brown color, and additionally you have this leather heel tab at the back, which definitely feels pretty comfortable on feet. You also get this really nice leather insole, which features the Bad Bunny and Adidas logos. And additionally, you get this nylon padding around the ankle collar, which doesn't really seem to have any functional purpose, but it does make the shoe appear visually more chunky. Also, I didn't talk about the box yet, but you get the same box here as you have with all other Bad Bunny and Adidas sneakers. And on the inside, you get this nice dust bag to go along with your shoes. Overall, I have to say I do really like this model quite a lot when compared with the other Adidas and Bad Bunny sneakers we've seen so far, like the Forum Lows, the Response CL, as well as the the Power Phase. I would say that the Campus Light is probably my second favorite model to release. I still prefer the Response CL, especially this white colorway for me still ranks at number 1. This Campus Light pair is super clean, super easy to wear. And with this very nice chalk brown color, when you wear these, you're definitely gonna have some people saying, hey, those are some nice shoes. I also like the fact that the Campus Light is not as chunky looking as the Forum Lows. These have some chunky visual elements like the elevated mudguard and the double tongue, but definitely on feet, they don't look as chunky as the Forum Lows. You could wear these casually, or if you want, you could even dress them up. It's a very versatile shoe. Moving on to sizing on these. So if you've never worn a pair of Campus before, I would suggest going down half a size from your true size. These definitely do fit quite big. For me, going true to size, there's just way too much heel slippage and quite a lot of room in the toe area, so definitely would suggest you guys to go down half a size. So for me, that's pretty much the same size as I would wear in an Air Force One. It would also be a half size lower than the Forum Lows. Just to give you some frame of reference for some other sneakers, so I go true to size in most Jordan 1s and Nike Air Max 1s, Nike Dunks. However, in these, I would definitely go a half size down. As I was saying earlier in the video, you can get these for retail. They should be available in a lot of stores, but if your size isn't, make sure you check out StockX using the link in the description. They're going for pretty much a retail on there as well. I do really think these are a very, very nice pair. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Adidas Campus Light Bad Bunny in this chalk brown colorway? If you haven't already done so, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I'm dropping content like this every single week, and also the link to all my social medias can be found in the description, as well as the links to my sneaker podcast, which you'll find on Spotify and Apple Music. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting my content. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.